back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. And this Monday is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, guys! Sorry, I'm excited. You guys are my only Valentines, so it's us. No, I don't want chocolates. I actually want fondant. So, and don't give me the cherry. That's nasty. But if you guys actually have a Valentine today, or if you're going out, or you just want to look nice for Valentine's Day, I'm here to show you how I got this blushing pink Valentine's Day look, because I know it's Monday, but we wear pink on Valentine's Day too. It's not always about a red look, and you guys know I love pink shadows. So, only using one palette today, the Juvia's Place the Pinks palette. I'm going to show you how I create this beautiful pink look that is perfect for Valentine's Day, for a date night, for whatever you want it to be. Okay? Okay. So if you're ready to see this look and get ready for a date of love, or whatever. If you're ready to get into this look, guys, keep going. Let's get started. Damn, my coffee's really far and I need it. I'm having a day. So what I want to do right now is a quick pink Valentine's Day look using my Juvia's Place palette. I said I was going to use it, so here it is. This is the Pinks palette by Juvia's Place, and I want to get right. Oh, I just glitter everywhere. I just have glitter everywhere. Oh, it's so beautiful. So here it is. Of course, it'll be on the screen, so you can follow along if that's what you want to do. I'm going to go in the brighter of the light pinks. Where's my brush? Just a minute. Whoa. Whoa, where's my fluffy blending brush? All right, I got it. So it was with the other brushes that I just washed. Why is it called fresh? That I just washed because I've been pumping tutorials out. Hopefully it's not all tutorials back to back and I've been able to mix it up. I just don't know, I've been filming in advance. So here's, so that's just that. But here's my large fluffy blending brush. I'm going into the more vibrant of the pinks as a transition. And this is simply because it's literally because the dress that I bought from Fashion Nova is a brighter pink than the picture. I ordered it thinking it's going to be like a baby pink dress, like the background actually. It's neon. Like neon. So I don't know how it's going to look on me, like the color for pictures. I might have to like mute it. I don't even need to do too much. This pink is like pinking. But yeah. Hopefully this will be an easy look for you guys. And of course, if you're not wearing pink, you can just swap it out for any colors that you want. Start with the light one, go deeper. You know what I mean? Pick a shimmer. Come on, guys. We've been doing this for some time, okay? Okay. At first, I thought I didn't want to build up this pink too much, but I think I'm going to. Just a little bit more because I think I'm going to go in with the softer shimmer for the lid and not the one that looks like a pressed glitter, only because, I don't know. I don't think I'm going to cut the crease. That's why. I don't think I'm cutting the crease. Oh. Dry. I don't know. Something that I'm using, I don't know if it's a new serum or something that I'm using, or is it the eye serum that's like, it's making my skin really dry around my eyes and like right here. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna go ahead and exfoliate and do a peel mask today. And hopefully not do another tutorial for a little while. I lied to you guys. I'm probably filming a foundation wear test soon. You guys already know what that means. 13 hours of torture for me, but you guys would know exactly what that foundation is worth. If it's worth it, if it's worth the little coins. But it's actually going to be a drugstore foundation this time. Just so you know. You'll see if it's hitting. So that's it. That's it for the transition. Next, with my Morphe E36, I'm going to go into the deepest matte shade in the palette. This is like super deep. And I'm going to hit the outer corner and the crease with this. Yes, ma'am. And then after this, we'll decide if we're cutting the crease, because the way I feel, I don't know. If this is not too much of a difference, if it's not like distinct, then I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going to cut the crease. I can see it already. It's not too big of a difference because it's just a bunch of pinks. Like if it was a little deeper, like on the purpley side, I low-key want to go in with the purple. I really just want to do one palette. Because you know, Valentine's Day, sometimes you want to just hurry up and get out the way. You know what? I'm going to stick to the one palette, but I'm going to cut the crease. And I didn't want to do that, but I'm going to do it. Yeah. But I'm still going to go into the lighter shimmer, only because I really want it to stand out, and I feel like, whoa. You see all that fallout that just flew everywhere. It's just because I'm not knocking off any excess for real. But you know what? Do I want to wing it out? Nah, I don't want to. I'm actually going to wear my Bratty lashes. It's been a long time, but I think they're just so cute and flirty. And just like, they're cute. I'm going to wear them. But guys, I don't know. I'm sticking to my guns. We don't want to be too indecisive. It makes for a long video. Let me tell you. I'm going to cut the crease, and I'm sticking to one palette because I just don't. So this year I'm doing a pink look for Valentine's Day. Last year I did red, and I gave you guys story time about my worst Valentine's Day ever. But I only had one Valentine's Day for real. So that's all. I don't have a story time. I don't have a story time about it. So sorry. But if you guys want, in the comments, you guys can tell me your worst Valentine's Day. I definitely asked my Instagram story, so if you're not following me, follow me there. Just shut up. Asked who has a Valentine, and if you don't, ask why. So someone said, have you met men? And I was like, I have, and I get it. I do understand. That makes sense. Somebody doesn't celebrate holidays, which is fine. I understand that too. Someone else said they don't understand the concept of like just men be like buying gifts and showing love. And I get that too, because a lot of women think that they could just, you know, have sex with you and that's your gift. It's not a gift. Get a real gift. What's wrong with you guys? So yeah, just a lot of things. And then someone said that their Valentine's Day is their Valentine is up in the air if they're gonna have one or not. And I'm like, you know what? I feel you. I understand. And then someone told me I was gonna be their Valentine, and I just felt like, I should be able to consent to it, no? I think that's something that requires consent. So I don't know how that's gonna work. Getting me to go outside is already something. So, and then my last short Valentine's date was with my friend. It was a good one too. We went to go get hibachi. We was chilling, you know. We was chilling. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. Just gonna use my Tarte Shade Tape like I always do, and my concealer. For those of you who want to know, it is a 233 Cream Sheer Brush by Juvia. So what I like to do is just put a little bit of concealer, clearly concealer on my thigh. But typically I like to go for the back of the hand. That was a mess. Let me just scoop this. Whatever's here, I'm about to use it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the crease. Okay, so I'm just gonna stop about here. When I cut the crease, I don't like to go all the way up. Sometimes, if I want all of the colors to show, you can go a little higher if you want to. It's just personal preference how you want to do it. But I think this is good. I just want to extend it a little bit more. About right there. And I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side. Guys, do you have a date tonight, Valentine's Day? What you gonna wear? Where you gonna go? Where you gonna go eat? And don't all say Ruth Chris at once. Because y'all really like overpriced food because the internet says you should. And I think it's weird as hell to me. I'd rather go to a cheap place where I know that the portion sizes are exquisite. Because I don't want 5-star restaurant food that's not gonna give me any food. Because I'm hungry all the time. I need to eat. So y'all have to figure something out. It's so hard making sure my eyes are even with my cut crease because you guys know. I got the little one. Oh my god. This is why nobody could ever roast me and have it hurt my feelings because it's not gonna happen. First of all, if you know my brother, you know that growing up and where I grew up, the roast game had to be strong, okay? Had to be. Or else you were gonna be a victim. And we don't want that. Now that my cut crease is as even as it's going to get, using my smoky shader brush, by the way, but this is a 234, I'm gonna go into the lightest shimmer in the palette. But the other ones really look like pressed glitters, but I feel like the pinks are already so dark that I want to go in with a little contrast. It's looking real cute, real pink. Ooh. Let's see what it's hitting for. Yeah, that's pretty. Put that all on. Yeah, so this is why I decided I was going to cut the crease, because it is a lighter pink. And I really wanted it to pop. I think it's really pretty. It's gonna be such a pretty pink look. The reason I chose pink for Valentine's Day this year is like the first tutorial I did for Valentine's Day on this channel was pink and purple, and I loved it, and I actually wore pants. The second look last year I wore red. This year I went to wear pink because I got a lot of comments when I did pink looks that pink looks good on me. So I think we're doing well. I feel like it's going by quickly. How do you guys feel? It's cute? I think it's cute. So I'm just gonna go back into that deeper pink and just touch up the outer quarter and the crease. Okay, and next, because it's me and I'm extra, I'm going to take some of my glitter primer and just put it towards the end. Ooh. I'm gonna take some glitter primer. This is my NYX. You guys already know I love it to death. I'm gonna take out a little bit on the back of my hand because clearly that's where I put things. And with this flat synthetic brush, I'm just going to place some on the outer portion of the cut crease. So that's why I don't need a lot. And you never really need a lot of this stuff because you don't want the glitter to clump up. But yes, I'm going in with some glitter. Just a little bit right here. So the outermost portion of the cut crease is, for me, is kind of in the middle of my eye anyway. I'm just gonna press it down like so. Like that, like so. That's it. And going into my NYX Glitter Brilliance. This is in 09. It's just a very deep pink, kind of magenta, hot pink glitter. And I'm just going to place some right on top of that glitter primer using this tiny little flat brush. Okay, of course the glitter is optional. But I just decided just now to take a little bit more of that glitter primer, whatever's left, honestly. I'm going to place some right in the inner corner. Just stamping it right there. And place a little bit more of that glitter. Just be careful with this not to get any in your eye. Okay. So that's it for the glitter. You can go back in and touch up the outer corner and the crease with that deeper pink if you like. I'm pretty okay with how it looks, so I'm fine. I'm not going to touch anything there. But my waterline, I am going to go into my Pastel Dream Auto Eyeliner. Sorry, I made a little burp. This is in the color Baby Pink, which I thought the dress was going to be, but it's not. Salty. And I just really love these eyeliners. I'm just going to pop this right in my waterline. And do you see how creamy they are? They just like glide right on there. Right on up in there. So you could use a light pink, you could use a black, whatever you want to do, it's up to you. A white is good too. It'll bring out the eye look. Okay. And that's pretty much it. Honestly, it is it. Off camera, I'm going to finish on my base. For my lower lash line, I'm going to smoke it out with the dark pink that's on the outer corner and in the crease. And I think I'm just going to go for, like a rose gold highlight. And I might add some blush. I don't usually blush, but I feel like we're gonna blush today. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish up the look. Neutral lip. I'm not gonna come back looking crazy, I promise. And I'm gonna show you guys the final lip. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you like it. It was really quick. I hope it was quick. It was quick for me, like really, really quick for me. I did not do anything off camera really to the eyes. All I did was add a little liner just so that my lashes would match. As I stated, these are in the style Bratty. You guys should know. My website should be back up shortly. I'm trying my best to get this rebranding process done as quickly as I can. So just look out for that. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and check the community tab. So that means turn that notification bell on and set it to all. It will notify you every single time I post a video and every single time I have a post on my community tab. So make sure you check out for that. The lips are my usual combo. My Suede Matte Lip Line in Ariie, top with Dose of Colors in New Mood, and my Lip Plumping Gloss by Iconic London in Nearly Nude. So that is my combo. I thought a glossy lip would be nice and flirty and cute, especially for Valentine's Day. So keep that in mind. The glossy lip is very cute, but like if you're going for like a dark lip and darker colors, I'm gonna say go with a matte, like a matte burgundy, a matte red. Always gorgeous. So there's that. My highlight, as I stated, I just went in with a rose gold highlight. It's my Mega Forever Pro Light Fusion number 1 or 2. You guys know I don't know what it is, the rose gold one. And I actually went in and blushed. So this time, instead of just blushing on the apples of my cheeks, I actually blushed from my nose outward just to give it a nice blushing effect. Flirty effect, just a real cute look, and I think it looked really, really nice. The blush I actually used was a highlighting blush. Now you guys know I don't really like a highlighting blush, but because it was going to match with my highlight today, the rose gold, and it's like pinky highlight, they look good together, so I was like, fuck it, let's do it. So this is my Ciate London highlight. This is in a marbled light dusk. Is it a marbled light? Or is it dusk? I think the color is dusk and it's a marble light, whatever. But it is a pretty pink highlight with a little bit of shimmer in it. So really, really pretty. The contacts are in the color HD Blue by TTDI. So all of that, description box, and that is pretty much it. I hope you guys like the look. Oh, guys, you know, I had to put little jewels in there. I had to make it mean. Always. So this is the final look, and as you can see from the straps and the top, it's not baby pink. It is neon AF, but it looks really, really cute, and I really think it looks great with this look. Guys, Bratty is the perfect flirty lash, so just saying. If you didn't get it before, I hope you can get it after the rebrand is over. And that is pretty much it, guys. If you like the look, if you like me, if you like the channel, if you like tutorials, go ahead, give this video a big thumbs up. It helps me out so much. You guys have absolutely no idea. And I see my likes going up and my other videos are like getting those views. So this may be the year for my channel. Oh, real quick. If you want positive energy, if you're one of those people that like to manifest your dreams, go follow and subscribe to my friend, Nikki the Creator, here on YouTube. She used to go by Nikki Fit, but guys, her content is really uplifting. It's very positive, and I think you guys will love it. So make sure you go ahead and check it out. Do that for me. But I'm sure you guys have plans today on this Valentine's Day, so you might want to get a move on getting ready. Okay? If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork Crew, so you'll be notified every single time I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and happy Valentine's.